Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at this beautiful velvet, upholstered kids sofa couch. This cozy armchair is the perfect size for toddlers aged 12 months to 4 years old. It safely supports up to 110 pounds while remaining lightweight for easy moving. Every chair features sturdy wood, high-density foam, and incredibly soft, eco-friendly velvet fabric. You can choose pink, gray, or blue to match any stylish playroom or cute bedroom decor. The smooth wooden legs are safe for carpets and can be removed for extra child safety. Provide your little ones a comfortable spot to play, learn, and relax throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.